Welcome to this presentation on how AI is transforming the legal industry, specifically in the area of paralegal work. Over the next several slides, we'll explore the different tasks paralegals perform, how AI is taking over many of these duties, and what this means for the future of legal services. We'll also look at data showing the rapid trajectory of AI adoption in this space. Paralegals have traditionally been the backbone of legal operations, handling the detailed groundwork that enables lawyers to focus on strategy and client relations. They draft contracts, review discovery materials, prepare filings, and ensure compliance with court procedures. While some of this work is highly specialized, a large portion is repetitive and process-driven, which makes it vulnerable to automation. In recent years, legal technology powered by AI has advanced dramatically. These systems can draft NDAs, which are non-disclosure agreements, populate standardized legal forms, and review lengthy contracts for risky clauses in seconds. AI research tools can search through millions of legal documents to find relevant case law faster than any human. These developments are already reducing the need for entry-level paralegals in certain sectors. Many routine paralegal tasks can now be completed by AI without human involvement. Document drafting for common agreements is handled almost instantly. AI legal research platforms deliver precise case law matches in seconds. E-discovery tools can process millions of documents, tagging and organizing evidence much faster than human teams. This is fundamentally changing the economics of legal work. Despite the rapid progress of AI, certain paralegal duties still require human skills such as empathy, strategic thinking, and in-person procedural knowledge. AI cannot yet conduct sensitive client interviews or navigate nuanced legal ambiguities with full accuracy. These areas remain safer for human professionals, at least for now. This chart shows the steady growth of AI automation in paralegal tasks from 2015 to projections for 2025. The adoption curve is steepening as legal AI tools become more sophisticated and cost-effective. By the end of 2025, it is expected that nearly 80% of routine paralegal work will be handled by AI systems. In the future, paralegals may function more as AI supervisors, validating AI outputs, handling client-facing duties, and focusing on strategic or sensitive work that requires human insight. Adaptability will be key to staying relevant. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content about AI.